Hi, my name is Nicholas Canino, and I'm doing a project on commitment to a sport. What is commitment? Commitment is defined as a quality of being dedicated to a cause or an activity. Commitment is a motivational force that reflects a person's desire to participate in a sport. What is commitment continued? The books tell us that commitment is more than just showing your motivation during the time in need. Real commitment is showing the motivation every single day, day in and day out. And the book also tells us that most people do not do this. The only real people that do this are those people that make it big. There's very minimal people that make it big, and that shows that there's very minimal real commitment within this society. More in depth on commitment. Lots of people love to say that they're extremely committed, but when it comes down to practice, they are coming saying the famous "I hate practice. I'm so tired. I hope it rains so practice gets canceled." There's a whole bunch of excuses just so they don't practice. A lot of people just hate the practice. They hate to go out into the field, the court, whatever it may be. There's always something about practice that just drains a person's mind. That's not real commitment. That's that type of fake commitment gets you so far, and it really does. You see a lot of people, they just have tremendous talent and they get to college, and they just really don't like the hard work commitment, and they just can't pass the college. I could say myself as one of those examples. I have all the talent in the world, but my commitment was just not there. Therefore, I just can't pass. This is the level that I guess I have to stay. I have all the talent to stay in this level, but to get past to the big boys, it's all about commitment, man. All about it. Why is commitment so important? Without real commitment, you can only get so far in your sport. There's a saying that says talent can only get you so far. That's exactly what I was talking about. Talent can really only get you so far. You think all those people in the big leagues made it without commitment? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Perfect example. Look at our picture right here. Jose Altuve. You think that guy made it without commitment? This guy is the definition of commitment. This guy is 5'6". We saw him at St. Thomas the other day, and I stood next to him. I'm 5'8", 5'9". I was easy 4 inches bigger than him. He's probably not even 5'6". He's probably like 5'5". That is the definition of commitment. This guy just won MVP and won a World Series. So over time, you complain about practice of going to the weight room. You are damaging your chances of making it big. Weight room and practice are probably more important than the game. Obviously, in game time, you have to show what you got, but in game time, you can make game time so much easier by doing so much work in practice and in the weight room. Those two things make game time so much easier. Conclusion to commitment. It's pretty self-explanatory to want to make it big in whatever sport you want to play. So you need to work hard every day, every single day. It's all about hard work. Even if it comes to schooling, if you're in college and you're playing college baseball, college whatever, it's all about schooling. Then right after schooling, you get into your weight room, you get into your practice, and then you get ready for that game set, your game mindset. There are thousands of other people out there that are trying, that have the same dream as you and are trying to make it big. Therefore, you need to be better than that other person that's next to you. You need to fight and make sure that every single day, there's so much competition out there. Every single day you need to fight to make sure that you get that thing, because there's thousands and thousands of people that are trying to get the same position as you. So you got to beat out thousands of people in order to make it big.